In this video, I will be showing you how to change the primary email on your YouTube account. Let's get started. I start by opening my browser, navigating to the search bar, typing in youtube.com, and hitting enter. Once the YouTube homepage loads, I head over to the top right corner and click on my profile icon. From the drop-down menu, I click View Your Channel to open my main channel page. Next, I click on the Customize Channel button, which redirects me to the YouTube Creator Studio. Once the page finishes loading, I scroll down through the personalization settings under the Profile tab. I review my channel name, handle, channel URL, and then scroll further down to the Contact Info section. Here, I see the current email address field. To manage my account settings properly, I open a new tab and return to YouTube. I click on my profile icon in the top right corner again, scroll down, and select Settings. On the account page, I scroll down and click on View or Change Your Google Account Settings under the Google Account section. This takes me straight to my Google account page. I dismiss the account security reminder pop-up, then click on the Personal Info tab on the left navigation panel. I click on the email row under Personal Info, which shows my Google account email and contact email details. I click Add Recovery Email to update my email information. To keep my account secure, Google prompts me to verify my identity, so I type in my password and click Next. After verification, I am taken to the Recovery Email Setup page. I click the Add Recovery Email button, type in my new email address in the field provided, and then click Save to save my changes. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.